broke, guys. What did you do?
It fell. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're new, you stole my life.
This is so Kirby.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're new here, I'm Katrina and this is my sister
Kirby. So today we're gonna be cooking Kwek.
Yes. Okay, so let's get to it. Boop. Okay guys, so we'll be making for 2 sets because we'll eat a lot. Okay, let's start. We're already putting the quail eggs in the pan to cook. Okay, so guys, we're putting water into the quail eggs. Okay guys, so put water enough for the quail eggs to be submerged.
Then you put the cover so it will really contain the heat inside.
Okay, so there. Ta-da! So it would take about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, so we need to prepare 1 cup flour, but since we're doubling the amount of quail eggs, it will be 2 cup flours for us. Okay, let's go. Did you break it? How did you break it? Kirby! I was doing a transition and you broke our cup.
It's brittle.
Okay, so show them the cup. What's the backstory of that, Kirby?
It's brittle. It broke.
That will be part of our thumbnail. Kirby did a bad job. Okay, so 2 cups, here we come. Yeah, so that's 2
We
cups.
don't need the cup. We're making the flour more fine.
Okay, for the cornstarch, we need 6 tablespoons.
6 of this.
For the salt, we'll have 1 teaspoon. Let's get that.
Wait, 1.2. Yeah. There.
Okay, so for the black pepper, it's still this one. So we mix it with the flour and the salt.
I wonder where's the salt.
Okay, so that's done.
So we're mixing the flour, the one with the salt,
water.
and the pepper with 1
Why
cup
are
of
you
water.
making it vertical?
With 1 cup of water. Okay, that's all. So it said to only put 1 cup per serving, but since we're doing 2 servings, we just placed 2.5. So it will have a texture like Cerelac. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Did you break again? Look what she broke, guys. What did you do?
It fell.
Kirby, that's
Oh, you broke the other part a while ago.
It was only this one, guys.
But still, she still broke apart. So what we can say is that since we don't really cook in this house, like these goods, our materials got brittle and they just broke on us.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, so you gotta do this. This is the cornstarch, right?
Yeah, corn.
And then you, okay, Kirby, mix it. Yeah, basically that to all the eggs. So we'll be back to you with all the eggs done. So you put it here and you mix it after with that. So, okay, so we're done mixing. So it looks like that. And we'll put it in the pan.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's boiling. Let's start. You know how to do it, right? Fine.
That's
Did you
it?
take?
Yeah.
This is the final product. Are you sure that's taking photos?
Yeah, it does.
Did you? Did you break it? How did you break it? Did you break again? Look what she broke, guys. What did you? What did you do?
It fell off.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're new, you stole my life.
This is so Kirby.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, because we're making 2 of it.
But wasn't it the original measurement was 1.5? 1.25.
Oh wait, we already times 2 it.
Yeah, so that's like 2.5.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.